Hey, Julie, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda and Hoover. We spoke just moments ago on the phone talking about some possible options for your 16-year-old son about to start driving, want something safe. Listen, I just want an opportunity to introduce myself as your personal product specialist. I really appreciate you taking my call. It's a big decision for you. I know you got precious cargo there. All of our Honda products have 5-star safety rated vehicles that you're considering, and you know, they're going to treat you right for many years to come and protect your family. So I'm looking forward to that opportunity to show you some cars. You can reach me direct at 205-504-2358 by phone or text. Julie, I really appreciate the opportunity to go to work for you. When you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.